turned back to try to find him.
Yeah, I had made a left, so.
Yeah,
Come on,
get down.
Tom. Let's go.
This is the summit right here.
Over the hill, over the bump, over the bump.
This is the summit.
What do you mean? You can't stop.
Oh,
You
I didn't know I would have been.
Yeah, do it again. Come on. Action shot.
We came last time.
Yeah,
came
but we
up that
went
hill.
the other way.
We came up that hill though. Remember?
We went back. Yeah, we did, right.
Tom, how do you like hills? Tell us how you really feel about
I
them.
can't tell you anything right now.
That was his
Tom,
Mount
let's see the look in your eyes. There we go.
That was his Mount Everest.
I actually made it up that hill without stopping. Well, I take that back. 3/4 of the way up, I was a little sloppy, went off the trail a little bit, had to stop, and then got back on.
Pretty much
But-
like that, except right there, the last bend.
But this is my 3rd time doing this one, and I never made it up this last bend, and this time I did.
See what a couple of consecutive weeks does?
Yep.
You throw a nap in there, and you're done.
I'm good.
I know the cure.
There's 2 big inclines on
I think you need 5-hour energy and
Some green
stay away from a bed.
I got up at 7:40 today, so that's not bad.
If you went this way, it would have been shorter, I think.
You think so?
Yeah.
I don't understand that,
Where's Larry?
He's on Packard Street.
You turned back to what?
Wait,
Oh,
this-
because you had to go home, right?
but this